Exposure bracketing. You would expect to have 3 pictures, one that's normally exposed, one that is a bit underexposed, and one that is overexposed, as shown here. Notice the histogram in the top right, how that changes. For some reason I couldn't get this to work, but now I think I found out how. So let me show you. First of all, you need to set up auto bracketing in the E2 menu, as it's called. Choose the bracketing option in menu E2. I show you on the top right how to do that. And make sure that it's on AE, meaning auto exposure, and not white bracketing or something like that. That's the first step. Second step is to go to the information menu and select the auto bracketing option there. Most would select a value of AE 2.0, meaning that it goes 2 stops below and 2 stops above. And here is the reason why I couldn't get it to work. In continuous high speed and continuous low speed, shooting will pause after each bracketing cycle, and that means if you're not in these modes, you have to press the shutter 3 times. And as I only pressed the shutter once and expected there to be 3 pictures, this is why it didn't work. Now, let's put it in high speed mode and test it. Yes, that sounded right. You hear? I release my finger, shoot again, release, and shoot again. And let's see how that plays out in what the camera has captured. Hooray! That looks right. 1 normal, 1 under, and 1 overexposed.